Alright, so doing a repair test here at 8 Assumption Street. On the back side, I'm guessing the roof was denied because of matching. But again, this is like a 24, 25-year-old roof, so they had a missing shingle right here. You can kind of see some of the surrounding wind damage. Shingles are pretty much all unsealed in this area. Nonetheless, I'm going to do a quick repair to show us what that kind of takes on here. Now, they did at least kind of nail this properly. As you're seeing here, these shingles are already really rigid and not very flexible. But I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Alright, got the first layer of nails, so now I got to get that second layer where this top side's hidden in at. And as I assume, these just aren't going to have that kind of pliability. It's already cracked right there during the first pull. And this one has two above this very, very brittle shingle here. Alright, and should have just two more. They put an extra nail into this top shingle for some reason. Yeah, and as expected, gonna have some blowback because that was overshot on that nail. Really trying to be careful because again, these shingles are just really, really old. Hey. Okay, so got one last nail. And again, that one's just blown through the first set of shingles. They over nailed this roof, if you can't tell. They actually put 6 nails per shingle on a 3-tab. So, starting to see part of the issues here is this blow through. This shingle that was not previously torn, it's torn just from the brittleness. That shingle also tore from the brittleness. But let's reinstall this new shingle. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this replacement 3-tab back into place. Everything went in nice and well because we did a proper removal of all the nails. Only problem is we just have a couple new damaged shingles here along the way. But let's go ahead and get this started. All right. First things first. Replacing that one bad shingle out. That way we don't have a leak coming in, and I can go ahead and send this repair test as well. But yeah, got that one bad one out for us. All right, get this one back reset here. Good to go. All right, let me reset these up top. And see, I wasn't even holding it that far up. That just ripped right in the middle. This one ripped during removal, but I can still get it reset nonetheless. This one has 2 holes, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and just plug both of those back in. Just doesn't make it easy with them having all these extra nails per section. Should be the last one. All right. And look, right there, it's hard to see, but there's a crack across the top of this shingle. This one doesn't have any cracks. A new crack developed across the top of this one. We had lots of blow through below. Same thing with blow through here, as well as the shingle cracking during the removal process. Another section of blow through, and this shingle cracking during the removal process. Just no good way. If we look around, so again, as mentioned with this roof, age of it, it's going to have increasingly difficult shingles to be removed and replaced. They have 6 nails per shingle, which is a good thing for the installation. However, when it comes to repairs, this makes it really difficult due to how brittle these shingles are. Again, as a whole, even though we do have that repair there, almost each and every one of these shingles are all unsealed. I mean, I can just go around this roof, and as we can tell there, this isn't taking much effort to lift these shingles up. All in all, definitely unrepairable. We already have the front side covered and replaced in full due to the same damage. Again, these shingles aren't going to have any way to be repaired properly due to the age.